Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can very easily check if someone is following you on Instagram app. Don't forget to please subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes and write your comments after watching. So, let's get to our topic. And I'll tell you that the method that I'm going to show you, first of all, it's quite simple. And secondly, it's gonna help you see if you're on Instagram and if they're following what you're posting. So, go to the Instagram app, and the next thing you need to do is find that person. You can use a post to do this in order to find that person. Search and then in the search box, type in the person's name, or you can go to your profile and go to the people that you're subscribed to. You choose, you find the person. Then at the top, to the right, click on the three dots. Then go to see total activity. And this is where you can see information about both of you, like whether the person is subscribed to you or not. As you can see, this user is not subscribed to me, but I am subscribed to him. And if the user is subscribed to you, or you are subscribed to him, then there will also be the date from which month and year you are subscribed to each other. Friends, this is a very simple way to check if someone is following you on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel, write comments, and be sure to put your likes. See you soon.